Hi, my name is Carlos Martinez with 5 Diamond Mechanical, and I wanted to introduce my entire team so you could see what it is like to be a part of our 5 Diamond family.
My name is Nick Mullins, Vice President of 5 Diamond Mechanical. I love working around a great team. I love being around energetic people, and I just love what I do. So it's not even like I work.
Hi, I'm Wes Carr, the Service Manager for 5 Diamond Mechanical. My role here is to manage our service technicians and make sure that they provide the highest level of service for all of our customers. I enjoy working here because of the team. As a team, we strive to constantly improve not only ourselves, our community, but also our customers and their homes.
Justin McDonald. I'm the project supervisor. I enjoy working for 5 Diamond because we all come together as a team and we overcome obstacles.
My name is Carlos Martinez Sr., and my position here at 5 Diamond Mechanical is Operations Manager. I enjoy working here because I get to work side by side with my son, along with my wife, and with my adopted family.
My name is Elizabeth Martinez, and at 5 Diamond Mechanical, I'm the Administration Specialist. I enjoy working here because of the positive atmosphere, and everybody that comes to work is here to give their best.
Hi, my name is Debbie Johnson, and I am the dispatcher for 5 Diamond Mechanical. I enjoy working here because I'm working with an amazing team, starting here in the office, and then the guys take it out to the field, and we end up with amazing results.
Hi, I'm Thalia Johnson, and I'm an office assistant at 5 Diamond Mechanical. I enjoy working here because I work with so many kind people who do really amazing things, and I'm glad that I can be a part of it and help them out.
My name is Robert Yohe. I'm a lead technician here at 5 Diamond Mechanical. The reason why I enjoy working here at 5 Diamond Mechanical is because the opportunities for me as a technician are endless.
Hi, my name is Joseph Ayala, and I'm a service technician here at 5 Diamond Mechanical. When you have an AC problem or need a maintenance, I'm the guy to go there to fix it. I enjoy working here because I know we have the best on the team, and I only work for the best.
My name is Matthew Carr, service technician for 5 Diamond Mechanical. It's a family atmosphere. Not only are the customers treated like family, but also the employees.
My name is Donovan Jones, and I'm a service tech. I enjoy working for 5 Diamond because of the atmosphere. Everybody's a team player, and we enjoy quality over quantity.
One goal I would say that I have personally this year is to continue to get my team to that next level so we can continue to be that next level service provider for all of San Diego.